Hi, my name is Amanda Hubbard, and this is my final presentation for Grad Studio 2 Workplace Design. Our first project of the semester was to have a case study to compare two different office spaces. We chose Second Home in Hollywood, California, and Play Studios headquarters. The three most important aspects we found from the office spaces was well-being, connection, and control. Here we have some diagrams of public, semi-private, and private spaces in the spaces. Some guidelines and conclusions we came to was we decided how to find well-being, connection, and control in the spaces. Through connections to nature, we can achieve well-being. Through semi-private office spaces with a sense of control and connection through common areas and collaboration spaces. For our site analysis, the location of our building is on Blue Lagoon Drive in Miami, Florida, just south of Miami International Airport. Some things you do have to consider is noise, mainly from the airport, but as well from Highway 836 and some boats that could be coming by. Some views, you can see the water surrounding the building. For our sun diagram, we had to do this to show how much sun comes in since we have that large curtain wall. So in the summer you can see it comes in a lot farther than in the winter, and these are things to consider when having office spaces and furniture right along those windows there. Wind wasn't too much of an issue, but it is important to always have hurricane impact windows in Miami. For structure, the most important thing we have to consider here are the beams and columns around designing, some private, semi-private, semi-public, and public zoning for the building, as well as spatial quality. For the client profile, Constellations is the client. They're an international producer and marketer of beer, wine, and spirits, the #1 multi-category supplier in the United States. They're based out of the United States in New York, and they were founded in 1942 by Marvin Sands. Here's some of their most popular brands, but they have more than 100 in their portfolio, and they are #1 in a lot of categories, including imported beer in the United States. Here's the top executives. Core values: vision, tenacity, hard work, and passion yield transformative results. Dream big, it keeps the innovation alive. Take risks and acknowledge the visionary shaping our industry's future. They are known for empowering growth and giving back. They are the first Fortune 500 company to take a stake in the marijuana business with marijuana-infused alcohol. They also, through venture capitalism, they plan to invest $100,000 million in female-founded alcoholic beverage companies over the next decade. And last year they gave $4.5 million in donations through corporate community giving program, and 1,400 nonprofit organizations supported worldwide. So they're founded on pushing boundaries, moving forward. It's important to have the workplace to allow flexibility and creativity while also balancing privacy. The main goals are to bring people together and programming to allow for collaboration. Promoting well-being and using sustainable materials is very important. Having spaces to relax and having a lot of natural light and a fun atmosphere where clients and employees can enjoy the products and being at work itself. The concept I derived from the Constellations star logo. We are essentially all made from the dust of stars. The universal idea that we are all connected aligns with the value of bringing people together and creating new experiences. Stars are born when atoms of light elements are squeezed under pressure for their nuclei to undergo fusion. This represents Constellation brand as a company because they thrive under pressure to take risks and make calculated decisions. For space planning, these are the different spaces that are in the area, from accounting to marketing and it goes and breaks down the workstation, private office, some diagrams, adjacency diagrams of where everything's located, how much visual privacy and lighting that each space needs, and some stack diagrams of which floor each space is on. For the concept model, growth, lively, and balance, I wanted to describe the model with. The physical model itself, it actually had spiraling pieces going up, which showed growth. It's lively as it is alcohol bottle itself, and balanced through the different pieces that were balanced on the edge of each other. Here's my floor plan for the second floor. You enter through the lobby. It brings you right to HR in the conference room. Here we have operations, quality assurance, purchasing, accounting, and IT are the main spaces there. The third floor plan, we have the other conference room right by the lobby. We have hoteling right there. There's another bar up there, a little more intimate for clients and the executives. We have all 4 executives up there. And we also do have the relaxation area and the sales. So the RCP for the second floor, we only have 2 sets of lights. We do the LED recessed lights and suspended LED lights. And then for the third floor, we just are using those recessed lights. Here's the materials board. We do have different fabrics, carpets, flooring here, and you'll see on the following slides where those are placed. For the bar cafe, on the second floor, you can see where the quartz is on top of the bar countertop, the wall coverings. You can see the product display. Here's the lobby perspective where you can see all that natural light coming in through the open space. Open office perspective where you can see on the second floor those offices alongside the wall and in the center of the room. The executive suites up on the third floor open workspace. You see those acoustic ceilings up there to absorb some of that noise since it is an open floor space. This is leaving the building. This is the lobby where you can see that product display that goes through to the bar. Here's some elevations. This is on the third floor. We have the bar up there and seating and eating area for the employees and clients. First floor work elevation, large conference room, first floor cafe. Here's a longitudinal section that cuts right through here. It cuts through the mother room, conference room up here. These are the stairs that go up, the transverse section that cuts right this way. This is the conference room here. This is also the cafe back there. And the AXO. And that's it. Thank you.